Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hi your girl, Debbie from Dung, yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. All you're new right on over here, it's always a special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for making it West Indian lands. Those who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, and you're still here, good people with good heart, manners and respect. Big up on a beautiful self. Now today, we are going to do a little quickie. We are, how do you do please? Hello? Please don't get me wrong. We are going to be doing a little quick rice and peas. Okay? A little quick rice and peas is a rice and peas without coconut milk. For whatever the reason you not have no coconut milk, suppose you go to the supermarket and you buy one coconut. When you come ready for cook the sitting, peas start to cook. When you break the coconut no good. Maybe you come home, you want to cook, figure more or less say you have tin coconut milk in the cupboard, none not there. Don't postpone the rice and peas. You don't have to postpone it. Let's get right into this. We're going to be doing a little quick rice and peas. This is a quickie rice and peas. Now, this quickie rice and peas, if you are a part of the butter police crew or the oil police crew, you will not want to watch this video. Okay? If you are a part of the butter oil police, you won't be, you don't want to see this video. But for people like me who knows that sometimes everybody need a little grease, you can stay right on. Now right inside here we have some pre-cooked peas. Hello, I don't have to show you all how to cook your peas, you all know that. So you see with peas, my hands are clean, it's properly cooked. And we have the nice little peas water, the color, you know, forgive it. The rice and peas the color. So we're gonna pop on, we eat on this. Pop it on to about a little more than medium. Now inside here, you're gonna want to put every single thing, like your herbs, like what you do the regular rice and peas, which is your pimento seeds. Remember I told you, wash your pimento seeds. And somebody gonna say, Debbie, how me for wash my pimento seeds? How me do it? Just put it in your sieve. Put it under the pipe and take your hand, mush it up and it will run. It's not easy. Please wash your pimento seeds. So let us get our little pimento seeds right there, right in. I'm using rosemary instead of thyme. I remember when you're using the rosemary, you know, to use as much as you use the thyme because it's stronger. Putting in right there, or green pepper. If you don't have no green pepper and you have red pepper, you can do the same. So smashing out our scallions. They were already washed, but you can't too clean, so you give it a next rinse. I don't know, just my style that. They have all been washed already, but that's just my style. Okay? I don't know what else you put in your rice and peas. This is what I put in mine, you see? So we have the eat right there, right on. Now you don't have the coconut milk, you know, so you're gonna substitute water for the milk. Okay? So now that you have to use some hot water. So you're gonna pour in your hot water now. Okay, pour to the amount of rice you know you're gonna have, and you must leave extra, that in case when you put in you need extra water, you're going to have to do it. Now what I have here is like, what I had there was like a little more than 5 ounces of it was like, before cooking it was like 5 ounces. So I have here 5 ounces of cooked peas. Now it is cooked, so I don't know how much ounces. I'm going to use one. This is margarine. I'm using margarine. I don't have butter, but all you have butter, do the butter. If you can't find a butter, use the margarine, because them say butter give better taste than margarine. Me still yet to come to that conclusion there. I'm not disputing it, but me still not reach the part yet. So me put in 1 stick of butter. Yep. So let me tell you something. You're gonna have to put a little salt, but you need to read the label if your butter or your margarine is salty before, so you don't put in the salt as yet. You put in the salt before you put in the rice. Let the salt be the last thing before the rice that you put in. So you're going to make this butter get all melted inside there, and all of them something there. So look here, let's this butter get melting, and we're going to cover up this little pot here. Look at it. I don't know what else you put in here, but as a Jamaican, these are just the basic herbs that we put in our rice and peas. So if you put in other things in yours, go ahead. Remember, you know, if you are putting Maggi bouillon and all of them sitting all purpose, you need to remember that they do have salt in them as well. So the real thing of this video is to show you how you can get a nice Quickie rice and peas look bold. Yes, somebody say taste good same way. We're gonna be using a little coconut oil. Please use some coconut oil we have like a flavor. This is kind of still in have much flavor, but try to find one we have a little flavor. Like our natural coconut oil, you can use some of that with the butter, but I don't have. So we're gonna leave this now to come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, you're gonna lower the heat and let it boil there for about 2 to 3 minutes to make that butter thing there and all of them something they gel together. You know, occasionally scraping around the sides as it starts to boil and build that thing around the edge. You scrape it around, put it on. As it starts to boil, you reduce it to a little more than low and let it stay there and boil to make the butter get to come together. Because when we come back, we're going to show you how we're going to deal with this little Quickie rice and peas. Huh? Okay, family, we are right back. Now, I told you when it started boiling, you were to reduce it. You see the pace at which you should have it boiling. Look at this. Hello. Look at this peas water. Look if it not look like it having coconut milk in it. Look at it, y'all. Now, when you get it boiling at this pace, this is all the butter. You don't do this thing on a rush. You see what I'm saying? Okay? So now, and remember, we were supposed to put a little piece of ginger. I did not remember, so I put it off camera. Remember, but we're gonna leave it in the description for you, huh? All who maybe just the first you're gonna see it, right? But I have other rice and peas videos up, and I'll put the link in the description for you. Okay? So look at this, real slow. Now we're gonna put in a little oil. We're gonna be putting in a little oil. So with what I have here, I'm gonna be putting in about a spoon of my oil into this. This is like 1 spoon. That's good. If you're using more, if your family is bigger and you're using more, you would administer more butter to this thing, or not administer, you put more butter to this thing and a little more oil. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Now this thing is ready to put in the rice. Remember the salt. Okay, we're supposed to salt. No, I made a mistake, so try to remember the salt. But first you gotta taste it. First you got to taste. I made a mistake there. After you put in the oil, you put in the salt, because remember I did say the salt is the last thing before the rice. Let's remember the butter. If the butter that you're using has salt, my margarine has salt, so let me taste it, so you will know how much salt you want, eh? Okay. And I said the rosemary and the ginger, you see, sir, it has shot. So let's go low from the very beginning. Let go low. You see, look at this. Look how nice this thing is. If not, you never tell nobody say you not put no coconut milk in it, they could know, you know. Look at this. So let us go taste. This is good for me. Now this is, remember to adjust your salt to your liking and try to go low. We have the rice all washed, clean and nice. Use your rice of choice. I am using what I have just to show you. This is just to demonstrate to you. Okay? Use any rice you want to put in here. Brown rice, parboil, whatever, jasmine, basmati. But try to remember that all of the above that I just mentioned, the brown rice takes a longer time to cook. So at this point now, we don't want any more water, but you would have to determine if you want. Look at this. I don't want any more water. You would have to determine if you want more water in yours. Okay? So we're going to be stirring, and we are get everything on the something there. So look here. You're going to just up your flame a little teeny bit, nothing more, nothing much. And you're going to put on your cover. And you're going to leave it to cook until it is of the desired consistency of how you like your rice and peas. Isn't that a quickie? Isn't that a quickie? Quickie rice and peas in your kitchen when we return. Okay, now family, let's get right into this quickie of the rice and peas. Now, you see your pepper? You must try to let your pepper come out like this. Just come right now. Look at it. All the flavor, everything. And don't let it burst. Always try. But guess what? If it bursts, nothing wrong. You just know say I gotta have a little extra meat. You know, and none of it are perfect. Sometimes my one burst too, you know. None of us are perfect. So, you know, we always try to take out the little seasonings, the little herbs, and all of that. You can see that, you know, all the flavor. You see the color. You see the color of them. So we find with ginger, with like a piece of ginger, and all of that. Let's get it out. Because we don't want them look something there go catching at anybody's mouth whilst eating. So at this point now, you're going to use your fork to stir up. I'm going to give you a little, I'm going to tell you a little secret. When you use the butter and the coconut oil, it lets the rice becomes shelly, real shelly. For those people who like shelly rice, I'm not really a shelly rice person of such, you know, but that's what it does. It lets it becomes more shelly, you know. So this is it. So look at it. Look at this little quickie rice and peas. Nice color, looking good. There's another little piece of ginger. I'm just going right over it for sure, you know. Say you have rice and peas like that. So now that we have this little quickie, because this is a name, this is a little quickie, it's quite evident this is a quickie rice and peas right in your kitchen. Let's go plate and return. Okay, now family, already from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, it is quickie rice and peas, a quickie Jamaican rice and peas. Please do enjoy. Now this rice and peas is really good like in the midweek, you know. And as I said, if you go out on this, if you go to the supermarket, because oftentimes we forget the coconut milk, we never make a list. Or if you buy the coconut, when you come, the coconut no good. What you going to do? The store they how much mile away. Quickie rice and peas for any occasion. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to thumbs up the videos. Thumbs up all the way up. Like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. When you do, remember, when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell, that little gray bell there. And when you hit it, you will leave your comment below. If you're in the first and the second or thereabout to comment, you will be a part of the post notification group. Yeah, but you will shout out your name today's post notification. That is if you would like to be, okay? And a lot of people would like to be in the post notification group. So today's post notification shout out goes to no other than Joshua Gabriel. Joshua Gabriel, you are a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Hello, I'm going to have to send a ticket, make you go and come and eat some of them food here. If you have liked this video, Joshua, please say something. I know you will. And we have hit the 20,000 mark. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, don't worry about it. We'll be working on a little thing, but we'll be taking it slow. We want to do it. We want to just do something nice that everybody can participate, but we're taking, remember, we are in Jamaica, so we have got to do it that things can work out. That if the winner is a Jamaican or the winner is a non-Jamaican, things can work out. So we are working on it, okay? It is going to take us a little time, but it doesn't matter, okay? So we'll let you know in the future what we're going to be doing. Thank you so much again. Remember, quickie rice and peas in your kitchen. If you like it, please to comment. Debbie from Dung, yaad. Bless, no stress.